a company that turned global crisis into a life-saving mission and a financial triumph. Dyson, a company world-renowned for its vacuum cleaners and other appliances, turned its tide when global crisis became. Instead of panicking, they thought that this is a great opportunity to innovate and pivot. Here comes a guy named James Dyson and his brilliant team of engineers. As the pandemic hit, the hospitals needed more life-saving devices and ventilators. Dyson stepped up to the occasion and, using its world-renowned expertise of making vacuum cleaners, they started making ventilators.